Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to set password on Google Chrome browser. Let's begin. First of all, open your Chrome browser, then click three dot menu, click extensions, manage extensions, visit Chrome and type extensions, type log pw, press enter. And now see this many browser log extensions I already installed to this set password for your browser. Example remove, then again add to Chrome browser. Add extensions. Then set password. Type your password. Example I use 12345. 12345. Again 12345. Click save. And again open, double click. See this 12345. Enter. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.